What is up, my fellow paint slayers? Today's whip is brought to you by Arteza. They hit us up in an email a few weeks back and asked us if we would like to review any of their products, and so I took advantage of their offering by subjecting myself to watercolor pencils, watercolor pan colors, and the gouache. I've never used any of these products before, so my review is based solely on these pencils themselves and not in comparison to anybody else's pencils, which I think is kind of fair. I think it should be that way. They also sent me watercolor paper, so we'll talk about that in a second. 72 colors. These colors are delicious. The first thing I did was swatch everything just so I could see the color itself on their watercolor paper. And then I cut out the watercolor paper and made some sketches for Halloween, because I'm all about the Halloween and it's that time of the season. So I thought it'd be fun to test, to not only stretch myself with the pencils, but to go ahead and do illustrations, which I never do. So I drew a bunch of illustrations out and then went to work playing with them. Now right there, you're going to see that the watercolor paper itself beads up a little bit, but that could be because I put way too much water on it and then scrubbed it with the pencil. So that could have been me, not the paper. So don't judge me. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm here to tell you though that these pencils are yummy. They're creamy and smooth. They go on super easy. They're really pigmented. I was really shocked at how easy they were to blend, even with, like, I scribbled and scratched on there on purpose and tried to make some lines, and the end result came out really smooth, and it was just a lot of fun to work with. It was nice to not have to worry about mixing paint and everything else and just play in the water coming out of those pens, mixing with the pigment that I had laid down. It was like those those watercoloring books from 40 years ago when we were all kids, and I thoroughly enjoyed it. I'm definitely going to be adding these to my archive. I will definitely be reordering the pencils when these have run out, and I've got, I don't know, probably 15 more little sketches that I've done that I'm using just the Arteza stuff with, just to see how far I can push myself and the product. So let us know what you think about this. Thanks for watching. If you have a suggestion as to something else you'd like to see us do with the Arteza products, we have a ton of them, and so we really want to give them a fair shot, as many product reviews as possible, because they were gracious enough to send us a ton of stuff. Look at that color. Woo! Anyway, there's a link in the description if you guys want some pencils or any of the other products from Arteza. We do have an affiliate link in the description. It helps us out because I think we make a 15% commission if you order anything. So if you were planning on ordering it anyway, please use our link and do so that we get some credit for that. That would be awesome, because that would go to making more videos and more content for you guys, and it would just be great.
find that nightmares do come true. We will find you. Trick or treat. This night you're gonna find that people live in graves. We're living dead.
I hope you have a very spoopy Halloween.
Spoopy. He says spoopy. I don't really know what that means. I'm just gonna sign off and say, if you guys like this video, please give us a thumbs up, like it, and share it. Leave us a comment as to what you'd like to see next. Love, Rio.